I'm going to demonstrate the power of AI, which is contained within the latest beta version of Photoshop. What we're going to do with this image is we are going to insert a flooded area on the road, and we're going to include some reflections in that flooded water area. So by choosing our lasso tool, we're going to roughly select the area that we're going to create the flooded effect. We're just going to go up the road and down. That's fine. So I've made our selection. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the generative fill, and we're going to type in flooded road with reflections. And what we're going to do is we're going to generate that. And the computer will generate 3 variations. Okay, got variation number 1. If we just come down here, we can see all the different variations. Variation number 2 and variation number 3. I quite like variation number 3. So it's done very, very simply, and you do not have to have any technical knowledge of how to apply the changes, as Photoshop AI analyzes your picture and effectively carries out your request. Thank you for listening. Hope you have fun.